Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this origami flower. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters, and we'll start by folding our paper on both diagonals. In next step, we'll fold all four corners and I'll fold them here to the middle of the paper. And once we have it, we'll again fold all four corners to the middle of the paper. Just like this. Now we'll turn our paper around and again bring all four corners and fold them to the center of the paper. In next step, we'll fold these top triangles so that this point of the paper is looking over this outside line, like this. And repeat the same steps on all of the three sides. Once we have it, we'll turn our paper around and we'll fold this top square. We have four squares, so we'll fold each of them in half. So we'll bring this side of paper towards the outside edge and fold them down. And just like this. Now we'll repeat the same steps on these other four squares that are in. So we'll fold them in half so that this point will meet this edge. Now the folding part of origami is over. We'll just adjust the leaves of the flower and we will direct them so they are facing upwards. So just bring them a little bit in. And we'll do the same with these outside edges. And this is how you make origami flower. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye!